Greetings to my dear respected students. Today I just want to discuss that how we are supposed to participate in Pariksha Pe Charcha 2020-21 as a student. So first of all, I am just going to open my web browser and enter the URL, that is innovateindia.mygov.in, and I am just going to hit the enter key. Now one option will be appearing that if you want to participate, you are supposed to click here on that particular button. After that, next option will be about PPC 2021 and rewards, and here it is, one arrow will be there. I'm just going to click on that, and option is representing with a red background, that is participate now. I'm just going to click on that option, and here it is. Now on the top of that particular page, one option will be there, student self participation for students of classes 9th to 12th. I'm just going to click on the option login to participate, and here it is, multiple option will be there for login. I'm just going to opt the option through mobile number. I'm just going to enter my mobile number here and click on the option login with OTP. Here it is on the top in my notification area, one OTP will be there, that is 387825, and after that I'm just going to click on the option that is submit. Now here it is, one option will be appearing, participate as student self. Now I'm just going to enter the name of the student. For example, I just enter the name as a Kavaljit Singh. After that, I'm just going to mention the email ID here. Okay, this is the email ID of a student here. As I have entered with the help of this mobile number, they are displaying by default. After that, we are supposed to select the gender. For example, here it is, I am selecting a male. After that, you are supposed to click on date of birth option. Here, remember, select one by one. As first of all, for example, I am just going to select the year, that is 2004. Month will be, for example, here it is, month will be June, and date will be, for example, 24. So it representing the date here. Now when we click on the class option, it says 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. For example, I'm just going to select the option that is 12th here. This is a demonstration that how we are going to do that particular thing. Here it is, in parent's name, for example, we have mentioned the name of the parent, that is Gurcharan Singh. After that, we display the name of our school, that is Swami Sant Das Public School. Okay, and now what happened here? Here it is, in a board we are supposed to select CBSE private schools here. Okay, after that, in address section we have mentioned the name of the school along with the address here, Swami Sant Das Public School, Udasin Ashram, Urban Estate, Fagwara. Here it is, what we are going to do, we are just going to separate this with a comma. Okay, here it is, again comma, and now here it is, again comma. Okay, now after that the country will be displaying. Now we are going to select the UT or state, that is a Punjab. I'm just going to click on that particular option, that is a Punjab, and now I'm just looking for a district. Now when we talk about a district will be Kapurthala itself, and here it is, the code is 144 632. Very, 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 very important thing here, that now what we have to do is, I'm just going to click on this option, that is a theme. My dear respected students, kindly concentrate. Here there are 5 different themes will be there. Exam are like festivals, celebrate them. India is incredible, travel and explore, and many more. Okay, for example, if you want to enter the content regarding the same, first of all, we are going to check the requirements for the same. For example, I'm just going to click on the India is incredible, travel and explore. Here it is. What they are talking about, they are talking about, first tip you provide activity. Imagine your friend visits your city for 3 days. What memories would you create for him or her in each of the following categories? 500 characters, not more than 500 characters. After that, next option will be food to relish. Here it is, Swadist Bhojan, 500 characters, and experience to remember, 500 characters. And after that, we are also going to submit one question to respected Prime Minister of India. And after that, what we are going to do, we are supposed to click on the option that is a submit. Okay. Now, remember this thing, that each option displayed a different requirement. Okay. Now, what we are going to do here, we are just going to click on a be grateful, sorry. Here it is, it says activity, write gratitude cards for those whom you are grateful to in not more than 500 characters. It means you are supposed to type the content here. Okay, and after that you are supposed to submit the question of your choice related to dealing with examination stress in not more than 500 characters. As and when, for example, as and when, I'm just going to type here something for demonstration only. This is not the actual content. Okay, again I'm just going to type here the content and click on the option that is a submit. They just display one option, innovateindia.mygov.in says no changes modification will be permitted after submission. Are you sure to proceed? And I'm just going to click on the option that is okay. Okay, now they just display, please lengthen this. Okay, they required more characters here for submission. So this is the demonstration only. You are supposed to enter the actual content here, and I'm just going to click on the save option. My dear respected students, the message will be appearing here. You have successfully submitted for PPC 2021. Certificate download option will be available after 10 a.m. on 26 March. Hopefully the content will be easy to understand and you all are supposed to participate in the same. Thank you and thanks very much for watching.